Welcome to my channel.
Hey, how are you?
I am good. How about you?
What did you have for breakfast?
Just some bread and eggs.
Are you coming to class today?
Yes, I will be there at 10.
Did you finish the homework?
Not yet, I will do it tonight.
Let's play football this afternoon.
Sure, I am free after school.
What's your favorite subject?
I like English the most.
Are you hungry?
A little, let's get some snacks.
Who is your best friend?
You, of course.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love mystery stories.
Let's go to the park.
Good idea, the weather is nice.
What's your plan for the weekend?
I will visit my cousin.
Did you watch the match yesterday?
Yes. It was so exciting.
Can you help me with math?
Sure, let's study together.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a teacher.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, chocolate is my favorite.
When is your birthday?
Next month, on the 12th.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, let's hang out.
Do you enjoy music?
Absolutely, I listen every day.
Where do you usually study?
At the library, it's quiet there.
What time do you wake up?
Usually at 6:30 in the morning.
Do you know how to swim?
Yes, I learned last year.
What's your favorite color?
Blue, it's so calm.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I love cycling.
Do you want some tea?
No thanks, I prefer coffee.
What's your hobby?
I like drawing and painting.
Did you do well in the test?
Yes, I got good marks.
Let's go shopping tomorrow.
Okay, I need new shoes.
What do you usually do at night?
I watch TV or read books.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I want to see new places.
Can you speak another language?
Just a little bit of Spanish.
Who is your favorite teacher?
Mr. Ramon, he's very kind.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
Rice and chicken curry.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I love action movies.
How do you go to school?
By bus, it's faster.
Can you lend me a pen?
Sure, here you go.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love mangoes.
Do you play video games?
Yes, but only on weekends.
Where do you want to travel?
I want to visit London.
How often do you study English?
Every day for 1 hour.
What sport do you like?
I enjoy playing cricket.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What's your favorite drink?
Fresh orange juice.
Where do you buy your clothes?
Usually from the local market.
Can you cook?
A little, I can make noodles.
Do you like the rainy season?
Yes, but sometimes it's messy.
What do you do on holidays?
I usually relax and read.
What's your favorite TV show?
A comedy series, it's funny.
Do you like studying in groups?
Yes, it's more interesting.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 10:30 at night.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a doctor.
Did you enjoy the movie last night?
Yes, it was really exciting.
I like the ending the most.
Me too, it was unexpected.
Okay, I have to go now.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Design plus Canva. Learning starts at home. Subscribe for more daily English.